In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Beehiiv website builder step by step so you can create and publish a clean page for your newsletter or brand without getting lost in the settings. If you've been wanting to build a simple website inside Beehiiv, this walkthrough will help you move from the dashboard to a published page in just a few minutes. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Beehiiv account and land on your main dashboard. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and click on Website. From there, select Builder. This is where Beehiiv lets you create and manage pages for your site, all from one place. If you're using Beehiiv for newsletters, this is a really useful feature because it gives you a simple way to build out extra pages without needing a separate website platform. After you open the builder, look for the Pages section and click on it. This is where all of your existing pages live, and it's also where you'll create a brand new one. To make a new page, click Add Page. Beehiiv will now open a page setup screen where you can begin building your content. The first thing you'll want to do is enter a page title. Keep this clear and relevant because this title helps identify the page inside your Beehiiv dashboard and can also play a role in how your page appears to visitors. For example, you might use a title like About, Contact, Resources, or anything that matches the purpose of the page you're creating. Once the title is set, you can begin adding your content. This is where you build the body of the page. You can add text, headings, links, and any other content Beehiiv gives you access to in the editor. Take your time here and make sure the page is structured clearly because a clean layout makes your page much easier for visitors to read and understand. If this is a landing page, keep the message focused. If it's an About page, make sure it explains who you are and what your newsletter offers. If it's a Reels page, organize everything in a way that's easy to scan. Before you publish, it's very important to preview the page first. This step helps you catch layout issues before your audience sees the page live. Open the preview and check how everything looks on desktop. Then pay close attention to the mobile version as well. A page can look great on a computer but feel crowded or misaligned on a phone, so always check mobile layout carefully. Make sure text is readable, spacing looks good, and nothing important is cut off or stacked awkwardly. If everything looks good in preview, go ahead and click Publish. Beehiiv will make the page live on your website, and now visitors can access it. That's the basic workflow. Log in, go to Website, open Builder, click Pages, add a new page, enter your title, add your content, preview it, and then publish when you're ready. And that's how to use the Beehiiv website builder to create and publish a page. It's a simple process once you know where everything is, and it's a great way to build out your Beehiiv site without extra tools. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and let me know in the comments what software you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.